Hello, welcome my people. This is your favorite boy that breeze one TV and that breeze the yes so. I just come today say I come drop this Obunga news where they happen for Obodo Naija inside the Nigeria where everybody still dey born. So this story wey I wan drop now e happen e shele for Ebonyi state where armed robber attack Gulliver wey dey carry money. So na so they take kpai four police for there instanta. So the thing wey surprise me be say inside this armed robber wey enter this Ebonyi wey still go attack this Gulliver, so inside of them two army dey inside wey be say we still run the package together. So na wetin we dey still dey talk be this, say if this country dey go well where everything dey go well, where be say they dey do the right thing at the right time and the right thing at the right proportions, say ma speak english join am make everything marama. So if government dey do right thing, nobody go fit go himself to dey do armed robbery stuff. Imagine government workers sef still join go dey rob, dey carry iron for that matter. See, no be say I dey encourage dem wetin dey do no good, but I know say for wetin dey do now e don carry dem dey go another thing wey be say their life don go for like that. It's either make they kill them or they no make they go life in jail. So wetin I dey beg be say make all of una wey be youth make una head come down abeg. Make person no dey come dey follow una dey talk one year thing say make una go do something make una go follow. I know say the situation of the country e don pass like that, because our government they no dey try. If you talk am go talk am come, they no dey try, that is why. So I dey, for those wey never see, wey hear the news but they never see the picture of all those armed robber wey go rob wey dey take kpai for ekelebe there, ma show una rolling this. So I don drop am for there. So wetin dey pain me be say I still dey reason am say comment dey okay. This two soldier wey lead themselves wey dey, because na dem me I go call leader because na dem dey train. So na government no pay dem dey wan talk. Government whether they no pay dem, and me I know say government dey pay dem. So but the situation of the country I dey talk am say our government wey we get I no understand the law wey we dey make if I dey reason the matter the thing dey pepper my eye, dey pepper me, because the country wey we dey how you go dey you go dey see people wey dey suffer. E no good, and we get this thing to make everything right. We get the treasure, where we get the treasure we come dey suffer. Person dey get house go dey sleep for outside. We get crude oil, we get limestone. I know say that one na one person dey follow that one. We get quartz, that quartz sef we no even know how to use am manufacture something sef. We get iron ore for different angle. Nigeria una no dey use all this thing well. Some una abandon am. Abeg ma ask, the same time wey Nigeria buy engine wey dey do Tata motor, no be the same time India buy their own. They dey use their own dey do Tata motor. Wetin we dey use our own do? Ajaokuta mining and steel industry, no be e dey there. So na there the engine dey. Dem dey talk about that one. Na abandon zone that one be. So many places wey we say our treasure dey, see all those rock wey dey our country, we no dey use am. Una go say una dey use am o, na another company dey use am, dey give una share. So we no dey use am. Agriculture, many country their main source of wealth depend on agriculture. Nigeria they no dey send agriculture, they no dey send farm, only focus on oil. But ma tell una one thing, see, if una life focus on oil, no do another thing. Time wey we still dey go now, after this 2020 una go see wetin go happen. Nobody go dey buy una fuel again. Now electric motor don dey, very soon now they don dey, even solar don dey. The one wey dey use water don dey. Go ask, they don dey do different motor. So level go change. Una oil dey go abandon am give una, make una drink am, make una belle full. So as una get treasure wey una no fit use am do something, and una still dey sell this thing, and una dey borrow pass. Now talk am. and na dey borrow pass. Una don use China. Why China no dupe una? Una give China contract, dey dupe una 500 million billion wey una give pack give China from how they no chop am, because they see the one wey una dey chop. They see the one wey una dey chop. How they no chop am? Una come dey hold am. But me, I know say na everybody be criminal. This is Nigeria wey fast dey talk. So but wetin me I dey talk be say, if we dey do our country well, do our citizen well, all this bad bad thing no dey. No dey, I swear, wallahi, no dey. Na person pikin, because of the hard labour of the country, no work, people still go say make they find better life. See people wey die for Libya na that time na. Some no be say na hunger kill them o. Na all those Arab na dem dey kill them. Yes, they go ask you wetin you can't even find for the road sef, but for better life wey some people dey find, and they take follow there. Some na hunger kill am, some na spirit kill am, some na for water dey fall put. You know how many souls wey don go? All in the name of better life. And the better life we have, and we get everything to make our life better. That is why all those foreign countries, they go, if we go there, they say, una no get problem, una okay, wetin be still wey you dey find better life, and that better life they believe say we will get, because they use us dey do business. Our oil e don dey finish for transferring, they push am, they go there to collect money. Still yet the money we no dey use am dey do anything. Just like something wey dey swallow something wey you know dey belleful. Who dey there wey dey swallow our money like this? Who be all these politicians sef? I dey talk, make everybody paramo. If you dey do something, remember say God dey. Even though you no know God o, remember say you know first day before they come carry you for belle, before they born you. Remember that one, say na exist, you exist, you can still go. If you don't get this, even though you know one know say God dey, but know say one day you too you go die. All these things wey dey harbor, whether e go help you, public wealth, public right, we get things. And another thing be say, Nigeria, they no dey value technology, they no dey value talent. Many people dey wey be say they get talent to dey do something. Na light we no get, so many people dey wey be say they get talent to generate light, and we get many resources, many things. We get many places to generate light from water, from dungeon where they pack dirty put. Heat energy, you can generate heat energy, and it will give you current lights wey be say you no go shake. Solar dey, but solar, the money wey they even put, no be everybody fit afford am. So wetin we dey talk? All these things are for the people wey dey chop money, and then they use am. See less privilege wey dey, no food, no good water, no light. Imagine giant of Africa become the ant of Africa. I know they blame Biafra say they wan go. They wan go, make they go, because country where you dey, where your people dey suffer, at least leave them, make them to go dey face their own. No, una dey think say na because of oil. See, if una no do well, France, all the whole Europe, all the whole country wey no be Africa, you go see they no dey go dey use fuel again. Electric motor don dey, solar don dey. Even the one wey go use water sef, they go still dey do am. So me I dey tell you, make we no dey focus on one thing. That oil wey dey focus, e no help, because children don dey come up. If una don chop everything finish, wetin children go chop? I know say they don talk this thing for long o, una no hear. Na from 1960, na una still be this. So I dey use this medium dey beg Presido, I hear your record before. They say you good during the time wey you dey rule with Idi Agbon. they say una work well. Everybody, nobody talk on a bad issue, but why now? No be you wey dey that time, no be una still be this. That heart of government governorship wey all like to treat your country well as equal right, you no get am again. See, if na your cabinet wey dey around you, wey you gather as your member, if na dem dey do you like this, say make you no make your head no straight, say make you think to the right path or for wetin you don do as good legacy before, comot some people, and I trust you, you sabi comot people. I no dey encourage you, but comot the bad egg. Na some still loot money, NDDC money for the community, money for the state, chop am talk say na student him use feed for this corona period. So make we just dey fear God. Make we fear God. If you no know God, make you just fear for yourself. See, and another thing wey I wan talk be say, if Nigeria no stop this contract work wey we still dey do, contract work one na im dey kill us. Politician, all those our willy politician, na im dey kill us. Make government dey chook eye on these two things. Leave contract work, bring work for guys to the work. If work dey, all those people wey go thief, so they no go thief. I mean, they tell you, talk less of army wey join themselves. If they live fine, they no do am. I know say they get some people wey be say they don't use the blood back farm, wey be say even though him get money, him go still thief, because human being are not the same. And me, I can never thief in my life. I can never even do all that. But some people are like that. But for those people to reduce, Mr. President, make work dey and make it no be contract, and make it no be work and die. I go still dey talk, and any video wey I do, I go still dey talk this thing, because many companies wey dey Nigeria na work and die. No be cinema work I dey talk o, no be cinema work wey, because we don like to dey give Chinese contract well. Chinese na im be our lord. Any contract with Chinese, why Chinese no loot our money? 500 billion, because then too they see say people dey chop. Cinema work, you go work 1,150 a day, carry iron, you go dey use hand. Human being dey carry iron wey forklift suppose to dey carry. Then they build refinery, na human being dey do work wey crane dey work we suppose to do. That one no be work. If na no know how work be, go European country, make una go see am how dem dey work hour by hour. Even 1 hour money sef, if they pay you pass 1 week money, na no. So abeg, even though una no wan pay like that, pay 1,000 per hour. Abeg. So another ogbonge news wey I wan talk, wey be say that one e hit my body. I know say they no dey help. You know say politicians, they no dey help. They no dey help. They don chop our rights finish. But wetin I wan talk be say our president wife, wey be Aishat Buhari, im dey in critical condition. Abeg, make everybody, make we join hand, make we pray. Me too, I don do my prayer. Make we join hand, both in enemy and in good people wey like am, the one wey no like am, make we just pray for am. Because I know say wetin dem dey dey together, but make we just donate prayer for am. Make we no be stingy person. If na dem dey do us bad, make they still dey do am. God go dey still dey accumulate the evil wey dem dey do. So make we donate prayer for them. May God just help her for the critical condition where she dey now. Because she really need our prayer. Anywhere you are, as in Nigeria, in the whole world, please, if this message reaches to you, just please put her on your prayer. Whether you are a Muslim, Christian, pagan, anyone, free thinkers, or voodoo. So if you just drop your your Ejumai Tupato, I beg, call your name, may you pray for her. So I thank you all, I thank you everybody. I thank for those who don't know, because some people dey Nigeria because of bad thing wey dey happen, say government no dey do them well. Some they don't even know they are presidents. No be lie. Some they don't know the name sef. So for those who don't know Aisha Buhari, and she be this. Abeg, this beautiful woman, abeg make una just pray for her. So thank you all, thank you all, thank you all. Thank everyone. Thank everybody that support that Breeze One TV. I use this medium to thank all my fans. Thank you all. Big up to you people. Big up. Punching. Big up for you people. I thank you. Without you people, I can't rise. You people rise me up. Thank you. Thank everyone that love that Breeze One TV. Please, if in case this is your first time, please just click that subscribe, like and comment. You can also share as well. So to your loved ones and your friends, please, I thank you all. Subscribe, thank you. You will see more of my news that we read more news and we based on any advert you want. So thank you all. Thank you.